got mail. Okay, friend, I have to tell you why PR packages are so important to me. When a brand reaches out to send me something, especially when there's no obligation to post, it really just makes me feel like I'm seen. And it reminds me that the content that I'm putting out there, that the hard work that I'm putting in is really being noticed. For the longest time as a creator, I didn't necessarily feel that way, which is why I took such a long hiatus. And I was like, this is not for me. I am just not creative enough, or my content isn't valuable enough. Neither of those are true, obviously. And I struggled with it bad. So when a brand takes the time to reach out to me for a gifted opportunity, for a collab, a partnership, paid sponsorship, whatever, I am just completely grateful. I'm grateful. Now, can gifted opportunities and PR packages pay the bills? No. I can't pay the bills with products, but that doesn't mean that I'm not still super grateful. And again, it's really just showing me that the brand sees me, that they're interested in possibly working together or partnering together, or really just telling me that I'm worthy, I'm valuable, and they want to be nice and send me something. And I love that. Today's PR unboxing is by my friends at Versed Skincare. I'm not going to act surprised because I picked out the items myself. They just gave me the opportunity to pick a few items. I'm going to try my best to not spill everything, but show you as I'm pulling it out. I love this. Recyclable paper. Okay, sustainable and good for the environment. It's like it's Christmas. This is the Instant Resurfacing Mask, AHA, BHA complex, and pineapple enzymes. It's called Doctor's Visit. I was super excited to try this product. Also, yes, my nail did pop off right before filming. I'm a real one. A Dew Point Moisturizing Gel Cream with green tea extract and aloe leaf juice. My skin loves anything that has aloe in it, so I was definitely grabbing this. And I love that it's fragrance-free. It says vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, dye-free. Yes. Can't wait to get into that one. The one thing that I was most excited to get in this PR package was the Guards Up Daily Mineral Sunscreen. SPF 35, but that's okay. That is super okay. But I've heard great things about this mineral sunscreen, and most importantly, it does not leave a white cast. Allegedly, we're gonna put that to the test in another video, but I'm just excited that I finally have my hands on it. Press Restart Gentle Retinol Serum, yes, and the Press Restart Gentle Retinol Body Lotion. These two, I'm counting on these two. I'm so excited. I almost feel like I got more than what I picked out. Yeah, I have quite a few products here. Let's see. The paper? Oh, it's a product. It's a sample. Their Brightening Tightening Mask. Love that. Oh, I'm so excited to try all of this stuff. I have waited. I had a flare up, so I wanted to wait for my skin to kind of clear up a little bit. So this has just been sitting in a corner. I've been waiting to share this with you, but I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much to Versed Skin for the gifts. And for my creators, this is your sign to keep going because someone is seeing you. I will be trying these soon. I will. Thank you.